MarineMax, Panama City Beach, standing in front of a 2020 Nauticstar 22XS. This one specifically Carolina blue with that Carolina flare. We've got Carolina blue hull with white hull bottom, chrome or the stainless steel logos, black powder coated T-top with the color matched T-top, so you can look good doing it too. This boat specifically is a inshore offshore boat. It's on their XS hull, which is an offshore model. But you'll notice as we step inside that it's set up for fishing as well as family amenities and cruising. This one is powered by a Yamaha 4-stroke F200. What that means for you is we're gonna have a top end and this 22 offshore in the high 40-mile-an-hour range with ideal cruise in the mid to high 20s. And believe it or not, you can get in the mid 4.5 to 5 miles per gallon at cruise speed with this boat, giving you a deceivingly long range. We're gonna climb inside, take a good look at this offshore hull with the high sides. We'll look at the inside amenities and see what the boat has to offer as far as creature comforts, fishing features, and just all around use. Let's climb inside. Hey, so as we step inside the 22XS, we see a couple things that jump out to me. We've got our 8.6 beam, so we've got comfortable to fish, 2 to 4 people. You've got that soft tan marine touch vinyl. Stays really, really cool. It looks nice. I like the two-tone of that tan leather. We look at the lean post here. We've got that powder coated black to accent that color, but we've got a flip up bolster and lean post. If we want to sit down, kick the bolster down, get in here, get comfy, sit nice and deep. Feet will sit up here on the little footrest or up on the sea deck that's marked Nauticstar. If we want to get in here and stand and drive on a boat this size is really where I'd probably be. I've got a love handle ready ergonomic bolster that reaches around the back where I can run those throttles and sit here. This boat, as you can see, is already equipped with the Simrad NSS 12 Evo 3. This does have the 3-in-1 transducer for downscan, traditional, and side scan, so we can do multitudes of fishing just as the boat is capable of. This does have the offshore hull, and for a 22-foot boat is going to be plenty capable to run those 14 to 30 mile out trips, but is light enough that if we wanted to get inshore and fish in 14 to 16 inches of water, we could use that side scan and trout fish or redfish. In Panama City, we've got a neat opportunity to fish inshore and offshore and have a multitude of species, depending on what time of year it is, that we can put on the boat. Obviously, fishing boat, we've got center console with bathroom and walk around head, but if we're gonna use it as a family boat, we've got the big flip up bench seat that's currently collapsed. You could set 2 to 3 across there, 2 at the helm. As we step forward, you've got those flip out bow backrest here, stay there, Andy. That if I wanted to use this for fishing, I've got that stainless grab rail where I could come over here and lean on that bolster. If I was wanting to get comfortable, we're gonna kick that optional bow backrest out. You could sit up, lean against there, sit on those bow fish boxes, and have your backrest either side. Whether we're cruising, watching the sunset, checking out the dolphins. Another nice backrest and console seat up here with no shortness of cup holders and seating. Believe there's a bait well. There's an additional bait well from the transom up to here. If it were me, I would probably be keeping this as a cooler with my squid or even grub for bait fishing, where my cooler in the back, as we're catching those hardtails and pinfish and cigar minnows, will keep live in that real live well. But great boat, nice deep high sides that if I sit down here, I've got that stainless steel grab rail to sit comfortably up front while we cruise. We got the flip out bow backrest from a family amenity for the social zone up here to hang out and have cocktails. Nauticstar 22XS, this is a 2020 model we saw powered by the F200, Carolina blue. My name's Caleb Peevler at MarineMax Panama City Beach. Jump at MarineMax.com if you want to get a look at the rest of our listings. Nauticstar has offerings from 19 feet all the way up to 32 feet. We've got 32 footers up in stock, all the way down to the 19-foot bay boats. If you like our videos, you like our content, check us out at YouTube on the MarineMax channel. We've got several videos a day getting uploaded, but be sure to subscribe to our page so you get notified when the new videos go up. Comment, like, engage in our content, and tell us what you want to see. Once again, this is Caleb at MarineMax Panama City Beach, standing atop the Nauticstar 22XS. Thanks.